In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a customer inside of Odoo. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Odoo like you usually would. Then from here, you need to click on invoicing. Then it should be looking something like this. From here, you need to go up to customers and go down to customer. Then it should be looking something like this, where you can see a total overview of all of your existing customers. And to create a new one, you need to go up to new up here. Then from here, you either have a person or a company name. You can also add a photo over here if you want to do that. But for this example, I'm just going to choose a person. Then from here, you can create this. You can add in an email for this specific person, a phone number. You can add in the company name, where you can either click on one of your own companies or search more, which will create a new company. You can also add an address if you want to do that, the city, the state, the zip code, and the country. Down here, over here, you can also add a job position, example sales director. You can add a tax ID, their website, or you can add tags if you want to do that. Then from here, you need to go over to contact, where you can either add as a contact, and here you can create a contact if you don't already have one, and fill out this form. You can also go over to sales and purchases, where you can see all of these information and fill them out, the invoicing information, and the notes. Then from here, you simply need to go out to the dashboard and go over here to customers. And as you can see here, that you have now created that specific customer. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!